Education. I'm son. Till 15 years ago, education was difficult to impart for the reason that the educational centers were location that long distances. Nowadays, it is easy to give education and receive education since the face-to-face or virtual form is used. In a few years, online technology is used to teach classes. Environment. In about 13 years ago, the world had a pollution-free environment. Today, we are for a pollution with few drills, developing an environment. So, yet we continue like this, we will be left without an environment that is worth a planet. Technology. And some 16 years ago, there was no such things as technology. People use letters to communicate. Nowadays, we have evolved a lot. We can use social networks, communicate on cell phone with TV. In a few years, we will have a mini robot that could help us with the housework. Thank you.